This is a beautiful bike. My mom used to have that in Vietnam, and my dad drove this. Me, my brother, my mom, and him on one bike like this. Yeah, it was so nice. Wow, you just remind me of my childhood. Very nice bike. Good morning guys, we just arrived in Ubud yesterday. Now it is 5:30 a.m. in Ubud. I'm waking up early. I hope I have enough time to set up my time-lapse for the sunrise right now. As you can see, it's beautiful. We are in front of a rice field. The sky, it's about to get clearer. And I'm setting up my time-lapse right here. 5:40 a.m. right now, and I'm about to taking some time to read all your comments and reply to each of them. Thank you guys. I really do enjoy that, sincerely.
One coffee, one tea.
Yes, thank you. So guys, our Airbnb is breakfast included, so they just brought us to order one omelette here with some bread and some banana pancake. Apparently they're very great according to reviews on Airbnb, with great fruits and some coffee and tea. I'm famished. Let's eat.
Yeah, very sharp, very nice helmet. Thank you. And this is where we are staying. Bali free Wi-Fi guest house, and you have a free breakfast at your door. And this scooter is gonna be yours for 75 rupiah per day. So we made it at the Tiga Lagan rice field. Jade wants to take a picture right here where it says Love Bali. And yes, we love Bali. Okay. This is a fabulous place to take photo shoot, guys. If you have a chance to come over here, you'll like it.
You want to stand on this? You're taller than me.
No! Okay, what do people normally say when you film that?
Yeah. Hi, my name's Thomas. This is Natalie. We're from London. We're here in beautiful Bali at the Tegalalang rice fields, and it's lovely.
So guys, in case you're wondering why I have this, we had a little drone accident a little bit earlier on. We were talking about this with our viewers about accident with drones, so it happened. It's no big deal, it's just a little scratch. But so you guys know, I bled for you, so like and comment below to support us because I bled for these drone footages. So.
take every single piece of the blame if you want me to. But you know that there is no innocent one in this game for two. I go, and then you go out and spill the truth. Can we both say the words and forget this? Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? No, I'm sorry. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? Ooh, sorry now.
I feel like if you can take the bleeding for that person, you would take it. I feel so bad. Sorry,
I'm sorry,
Jade.
sorry,
I'm
sorry.
very sorry.
I'm fine.
And we are at the pharmacy. We're gonna try to clean the injuries that Jade had here. I'm so sorry, guys. I tried to fly responsibly, but these things happen. Whatever you need.
We're just getting some alcohol wipes and chocolate. This is the best medicine. Chocolate is always the best medicine.
You know when this time you feel so bad, but there's nothing you can do? Guys, I promise I'll never put Jade in danger of any kind anymore again for any kind of
I'm
footage.
actually fine.
It's
just
not
a skin
worth it.
scratch. But this big guy is about to cry.
No, you don't. Well, you guys would feel the same, I bet. I will never do this to her. Not anymore. Jade's been a real rock star. She kept filming for the video, and all she wanted was chocolate. So we got her some alcohol swab and some betadine.
Those are antiseptic cream.
Yeah.
You're gonna be just fine.
Bad Takyo. Sorry, guys. Ouch. It looks better.
I did it for you, so you wouldn't cry.
Sorry.
It's fine. I'm fine. Look, look.
We are now at the laundry service in Ubud. Over here they will either weigh your laundry or count it by piece. Did they weigh your laundry or they count it by piece?
They wait,
They weigh?
but she's gonna count it just to make sure it's the same.
Okay.
So for 2 bags, it's about $6.
Which is okay.
So guys, we're at Green Key. It's in Ubud, and we got poke bowls. Mine is with the salad base and the tuna. So it has edamame and avocado, but you can choose your own base, your own topping, and your own dressing. And Takyo got the Norwegian salmon with the rice base. Yum yum yum.
It's recording, Jade. Alright, so we arrive at Tige Nungan Waterfalls. It's a small village. And
Get a ticket.
Yeah.
About $1 each.
10,000 rupiah, around that.
10,000. Yeah. Let's go check it out.
descend here or here, can fall straight down here or somewhere here. And Jade, she is very scared of heights. She would never do this for anything but an Instagram photo. Can you believe that? Alright, don't fall, baby girl. You hurt yourself enough. Well, I hurt you. Alright, let's take a picture. Thank you so much guys for following us through our adventure. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to our channel for more video and also let us know your comments. See you guys later.